The 2018 Sandpiper 383RBLOK fifth wheel is luxurious for modern camping families. This elegant rig features color-match, high-gloss, gel-coated fiberglass walls, including a two-toned aerodynamic front cap with improved turning radius. The cap also has LED hitch accent lighting along with the storage below. A universal docking station features black tank flush, winterization, and tank pull valves. The 383RBLOK also has a heated enclosed underbelly and dump valves, a 60-pound capacity, has a roof ladder, and power front jacks. An outdoor kitchen has a mini fridge, cabinet storage, a microwave, and a sink. The Sandpiper 383RBLOK's central living area holds a trifold sleeper sofa, booth dinette, windows with roller shades, a 40-inch LED HDTV, fireplace, and a premium soundbar with a Sony DVD player. A central kitchen offers an island with a residential pull-down spring sprayer, stainless steel appliances, maple handmade cabinetry, solid surface countertops, and pendant lighting. The 383RBLOK's Bunkhouse Suite comes with a trifold sofa, a flip-up bunk, and a loft area. It's complete with wardrobe space, an entertainment center, even its own full bathroom, with amenities including a curtain shower, medicine cabinet, vanity sink, and a porcelain foot flush toilet. Your master bathroom contains a walk-in glass door shower with a seat and LED lighting above, a vanity sink, linen cabinet, residential vanity mirror, and a toilet. The Sandpiper 383RBLOK consists of a queen-sized bed, a quilted bedspread, a dresser, TV hookups, and a master closet with mirrored sliding doors, shelving, and washer and dryer prep. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to help you find the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation, guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.